Assalamu alaikum all of you. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to your today's English class. Okay, now as you can see, this is your chapter Adjectives. Now, from the page itself, you might have understood that we are going to study today from Grammar Gate. Yes. Now, in grammar, we have completed two chapters, nouns and pronouns, which came for your PT exam, right? Which came for your PT exam and so this adjective, see, we have studied what is a noun. A noun is a naming word, name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, quality, etc. Right? So that is called a noun. Then we have studied pronouns. Now pronouns that was related to nouns, right? How come it's related to nouns? What do you mean by pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun, right? If example, if I take a name Ahmed, that is a noun. If I say he, I am replacing the name with the word he. I am replacing Ahmed with what? He. Right? So over here, he becomes your pronoun. Right? So that is kind of a replacement. Okay? Now you are clear. We have revised what is a noun, we have revised what is a pronoun. Now come to our chapter 3 adjectives. Now you might be thinking, मैम adjectives के chapter में पहले noun क्यों पढ़ा रहे हैं, pronoun क्यों revise करा रहे हैं? So yes, because your adjectives are related to nouns. How come it's related to nouns? Because see, अगर pronoun noun की जगह लेता है तो adjective noun के साथ आता है. Remember this, adjectives come with a noun. Clear? What do you mean by adjective? See, you can see in the definition itself, an adjectives describe a noun in many ways. Now it says an adjective describes noun in many ways. What is the meaning of describe? Describe means tells you more about the noun. Yes, adjectives describes noun means it tells you more about a noun. For example, if I'm taking Ahmed, Ahmed is a noun. But if I say, okay, if I take boy, the boy, the boy, the girl, so boy, girl, this is a noun, right? But if I say an intelligent boy, a beautiful girl, so what I have used over here, see, a boy, a girl, these two were also complete, isn't it? But I have added something else to it. What I have added? An intelligent girl. So over here, intelligent becomes your descriptive, right? It means descriptive adjective, that's called as adjectives. Clear? It's giving you more information about how the boy is or how the girl is. So what it is, that's called adjective. So here, intelligent, beautiful, that is called as adjectives. So what do you mean by adjectives now? Yes, adjectives gives you more information about the noun. If you say the table, the chair, right? But if you say the big table, the nice chair. Now see, big is telling you about how the table is. Nice is telling you about how the chair is, isn't it? So what does it mean? That big and nice, it's giving you more information about the table, so that is called an adjective. So I hope you have understood the definition of adjectives. Now see, adjectives can be of many types. You can see in the box over here, color, size, sound, shape. Come to the next page, number, taste, weather, texture. These all can be the types of adjectives. For example, if I say a blue car, a big box, loud toy, a cube cupboard, not cupboard, sorry, a cubic book, cubic box, right? So this can be different examples. Now you see, understanding or underlining adjectives, that is the most easy thing, right? If you say over here a big white dog, So big and white over here becomes your adjective. But we have studied what is adjective in fifth standard, right? Where you had to underline adjectives. You have studied types of adjectives. Okay. Now in sixth standard, you're not going to study types and underlining adjectives. Over here, we are going to study something in advance. Now, what is that something studying in advance? Is that we are going to study over here the order of adjectives. अभी तक मैंने सेंटेंस में एक ही एडजेक्टिव यूज़ किया था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से आई हैव रेड पेपर, ओके, आई हैव शी इज़ अ टॉल गर्ल, he is an intelligent boy. Okay, so over here I am using only one adjective, but now you'll be learning to use more than one adjective. For example, if I say a I have a beautiful long red dress. I have used how many adjectives over here? I have used 3 adjectives over here. Beautiful, long, red. अच्छा, अगर मैं बोलूँ I have a red beautiful long dress, or if I say I have a long red beautiful dress. अच्छा, 3 एडजेक्टिव यूज़ करना है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं मेरी मर्ज़ी से उसका ऑर्डर रखूँगी. If you are using 3 adjectives, 4 adjectives, 2 adjectives, जो भी जितने भी आप यूज़ करो, it has to be in the perfect order to make the correct sentence. Okay, now one information that you have to study is adjectives comes before a noun. Remember, adjectives comes before a noun. Clear? Now see below the box. Sometimes we use more than one adjective with a noun. In such sentences, we need to follow a particular order of adjective. So yes, if we are using more than two or more adjectives, then we have to follow a particular order. अच्छा, अब इसका order हमारे हिसाब से नहीं होगा. That only we are going to study. So order of adjectives. Now if you see over here in the paragraph, how many adjectives are there? See, read 2 lines. There are 7 big mangoes in Tojo's basket. There are 4 ripe yellow mangoes and 3 unripe ones. Rishita gets 2 green ones and 2 yellow mangoes from it. Now see, adjectives are underlined over here. So over here 7, 4, 3 and 2 are adjectives of number or quantity, while ripe, yellow, green are called adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. So here we are going to mainly see 2 types of adjectives: adjective of quantity and adjective of quality. Now adjective of quantity or adjective of numbers. Now what do you mean by adjective of quantity and what do you mean by adjective of or adjective of numbers? Particular number like 1, 2, 3, or the words that shows quantity. Quantity मतलब क्या होता है? Quantity मतलब कोई चीज़ कितनी है, how much something is. So it can be, so much, many, right? All this, anything that will show you quantity, any word that will show you quantity, they are called adjective of quantity or numbers. Next, adjective of quality, or you say descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective means the words that would describe the words that would say how something is or how someone is. Okay, when you get the answer of how someone is or how something is, that's going to be your adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. Now according to the paragraph, remember one thing, that what is particularly the order of adjective. The order of adjective should be, first should be adjective of numbers or quantity, second will be the adjective of quality. Remember what's going to be the order. Adjective of quantity comes first, adjective of quality will come second. All right, so what have we studied today? So, okay, in the next class, in the next part of the video, we will actually study the next page where you have exercise as well and the order also. Okay, now let us revise what we have studied today. So we have studied the definition of adjective. What is adjective? Adjective describes a noun. It means it gives you more information about a noun. Okay, and as per the chapter that you are studying of adjectives, you are mainly going to study the order of adjective only. You will have exercise for order of adjective only. Now, order of adjective means what? When we are having two or more adjectives, there should be a particular order that has to be followed, right? And we have studied that adjective of quantity comes first and adjective of quality comes second. Understood, all of you? Adjective of quantity will come first and adjective of quantity will come adjective of quantity will come first and adjective of quality will come second. Now in adjective of quality, that is your descriptive adjective, there are many categories. Now categories you can see over here: quality, size, shape, condition, age, color, pattern, origin, material. All this comes where? In your adjective of quality. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? हम adjective of quality में different orders पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? And this is then you can arrange it in properly. तो अगर quantity है तो पहले number आएगा, उसके बाद quality आएगा, ठीक है? That we will study in our next video. So I hope adjectives are clear to you, and if you still have a doubt in order of adjective or what I have explained to you, you can ask it in the comment section. Okay, so thank you all of you. See you soon with the next video.